My name is Grant Housley. Well, I'm originally from Chicago, Illinois, in the States. My career has taken me on to live now in Los Angeles, California. The Nigerian film industry, I never had a perception of the Nigerian film industry. It was more what I learned in my first time coming here about 4 years ago with Del York Creative Academy. And there was no perception, it was just the information that I was given, the films that I studied, the work that I saw. So it was just the learning of that. Well, what Del York is doing here in Nigeria is, I think they're building a very fundamentally sound crew for filmmaking, to tell the filmmaking story, which is already being told from a lot of directors in Nigeria that are telling great stories. They're trying to teach the process of filmmaking, to utilize the time, to utilize what's, your crew, to hone people in certain skills so that they're good at what they do. Because from, Nollywood to Hollywood to Bollywood, it's a creative process. It takes time, and time management is key. Well, I think the essence of the training from Del York Creative Academy will create the next generation of filmmakers, to make them a little more fundamentally sound in the technical aspects of filmmaking. I think that, 4 or 5 years from now, you'll see filmmakers who are telling Nigerian stories, but to the world, and it becomes universal, because storytelling is storytelling. Doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter who you are, you want to have a universal appeal. There's Nigerians in America, there's Nigerians in Europe, and you want them to feel as one. I feel the same way about Black America. I want them to feel the same. I want to be able to write a story and tell a story, direct a movie that every Nigerian will say, that's me on the screen. Hi, I'm director Grant Housley, teaching filmmaking and directing for Del York Creative Academy. Make sure you follow them at #DCA 2014.